Okay, well I'm going to show you how to make a cork rocket launcher. What you're going to need is scissors, skewers, tape, rubber band, and a cork. First thing that you need to do is start by cutting the rubber band like that and stretching it out just a little bit. Make sure it's totally stretched out. Then take your tape and cut about that much, maybe a little more, yeah, about that much. And oh yeah, I forgot to say, you need a piece of PVC pipe. It is, this one is half, 2.5 inch long, I think. Okay, and then you take this and you put it around the end. And put your tape right on there like that. And then do the same to the other side. And then just for good measures, wrap it around one more time. Snip the edges off. So there's your main shooting part. Now if you come a little bit closer, I can show you how to make the ammo. You take a single skewer like that, and a cork. I've got it blue in here, it's a little weird looking, but it should work. And just push it in the bottom part, like that. And there you go. This is a rocket. You could probably make flak ones, like strap firecrackers on it, you know. Light it, and when you shoot it up, it'll pop in the air. Well, now I'm going to show you how we test that. Should I stop it?
Yeah.